Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in again from the Urban Micro Farm. Okay, so little change up tonight. Our friend Mandy, everybody say hello to Mandy. Our friend Mandy is going to gather up two of our little friends. Probably this little guy right here who's so brave. And here's what we're doing. We're making a little trip. We're gonna take two of these birds, and we're gonna make a little trip over there to meet some out-of-town family. So, you got any more volunteers? How about that guy right there? So, we're going to grab a couple birds, and we're going to go visit some of our out-of-town family members. So, here we go. Let's take a ride. All right, so we are loaded up in the Cobalt Blue Panty Dropper, and we are headed eastbound. We're eastbound to meet up with Mandy's dear sweet sister, Hannah, her husband Blake, and their two little fiery red-headed children, Abby and Nolan. So last year, Abby and Nolan didn't get to see the chickens when they were this small, and so because of that, we're making a special trip. They're actually on their way on a family vacation, and so we're meeting up with them. They just stopped in Casper long enough to grab some dinner. And
tell them where.
We are actually meeting them. We didn't pick this. Full disclosure, we didn't pick this. We're meeting them at KFC. And for those of you who may not know what the original meaning of KFC was, it in fact means Kentucky Fried Chicken. So, I'm sorry, Kentucky Fried Chicken. The irony is thick because, I mean, I don't need to tell you. I don't need to explain it. So, yeah, we're meeting them at KFC. And so
Abby and Nolan have had a chance to see Snapchat pictures and video of the chickens and the babies, but they are just so intrigued. And I know they're going to love this.
So, here we go. We're going to check back in with you at Kentucky Fried Chicken. Stand by. So, as promised, here we are. Here comes little Miss Abby and Mr. Nolan with Aunt Mandy. Can you wave to everybody, guys? Hey, guys. Fresh from South Dakota. So, look what Aunt Mandy brought.
Do you want to hold him? Yes. Hold him close to you.
Oh, so cute!
Do you want to hold one, Nolan? No, he ain't about having that.
Here, do you want to pet one? Here, I'll hold him and you can pet him.
Oh, they're really nice.
Come here, honey. Come here, you can just pet his head.
Just don't like move fast.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Look at you. So cute.
You have Cracker, there you go.
They're so cute.
They are so cute. Are you sure you don't want to hold him? He won't bite you, I promise.
Nope, they don't bite.
Promise. Come here, sit by me.
No.
No.
And Miss Abby is just taking to it like, yes.
Yeah, awesome.
Yes.
Look. See, look, they just got little feet that you just put one hand underneath, and then you put one hand on top and just kind of hold their body.
He's still not having it.
They have little ears inside them.
Right there.
And hold on to them tight so they feel good.
Yeah, so he's comfortable.
But not really tight.
Not super tight, no.
Else they'll hurt.
Today, we're driving in the truck and
You wanna
all
pet
of a
him
sudden
again?
Nolan goes,
Which one's the one chirping?
You weren't even
They
talking
both
anything
are.
about it. I'm like,
They just chirp a little bit. It's like, see, they're brothers and sisters.
where that came from? But I'm like, yeah. Thinking all the time.
They
Let
are.
him hang out with like I work with.
See? Maybe we should call this one Nolan and this one Abby.
No, this one's Rosie.
Rosie.
Rosie,
And that
Rosie.
that one Nolan.
You want that one, Nolan?
He's so cute with his biscuit, too. Look, he's got biscuit in there.
Get them
Well, at least it's
little.
not chicken.
Get him little name tags, he says.
On the bucket. I kissed it.
You don't, I
On
wouldn't
the
kiss him,
bucket.
honey. But
On
you
the
can hug him.
bucket. I mean on the bucket.
You want him in the bucket?
No. Yeah, the name tag.
Oh, you put the name tag on the bucket?
Yeah, so tape it together.
See, look.
So Nolan, explain to me, buddy. So you think we need to put name tags on the bucket so we know which bird is which, right? Okay.
And this one's name is Nolan. Yeah.
So find a piece of paper and cut it in squares, then tape them on.
Okay. Don't put him on the ground. He might run off. Well, he might not. He doesn't know where he's going, but you can put him in here and he can eat. There's a little dish in there.
Do they wash themselves?
They kind of clean themselves off.
This one out.
There you go.
They're kind of. This one feels like it's gonna fly off.
He's not. Hold him close. Just like that. Oh, you got
Do they have little claws?
No, not really.
They feel really good.
Look,
They're so small.
they're just little. See,
Not right now. That's okay.
look at, they got pretty good wings. They're starting to fletch out. See, look at how big their wings are.
Can I hold this one? This one's waist.
You had a magical chicken that could fly yet?
Look at Uncle James and smile. Look at Uncle James and
Uh-huh.
You're doing a good job.
You're doing great, Nolan. Look, he won't break gaze either.
You can pet his head.
He's soft, huh?
Just so you know.
He's cuter than any baby frog in our house.
I believe
Yes,
that.
I believe that too.
They're cuter.
They're way cuter. And listen to their little sounds they make. He sounds kind of like a frog, huh? In the middle of the night when they chirp.
He's shivering.
Yeah, this is actually probably cooler than they're used to.
All right, so that was a fun little encounter we had with our sweet little niece and nephew, Nolan and Abby. It was really fun watching their reactions. Little Nolan, he was so excited to see the birds, but didn't want anything to do with holding them. That was really neat. So made it back here to the brooders without any kind of further incident, and got those birds back in here. So we still had a little bit of daylight left. So Mandy made the decision for us to empty all the pine shavings out of these brooders and put fresh pine shavings in there. So they're all on fresh bedding right now. They all seem pretty happy. They're getting wound down for the evening. So here pretty quick, as soon as we finish this video, we're gonna put them to bed. But one of the other things that we were able to do while we had the birds out of the brooders was hand count them, do an actual hand count one by one. And what we came up with was 111 birds. 111 birds that we hand counted. So at some point in there, I must have miscounted, and I was thinking that we had lost fewer birds than we did. But we have 111 birds remaining as of right now. So I'm okay with that. We've still lost we're on about the 10% mark right now of loss. A little over that, actually, but we're okay. Mandy says that to keep pace with last year's numbers, we can lose 20 birds. We haven't lost 20 birds. We've only lost 14. So we're okay there. Hopefully we don't lose any to predation. Hopefully I don't run over any and kill them with the chicken tractors, and we'll make it through this thing with an improvement over last year. So I was not able to get the covers for these dug out. So I'm going to have to go ahead and do that within the next 2 days, because in 2 days from now, I'm actually going to be leaving to head down to Cheyenne, Wyoming, where I'll be attending my pre-licensed law classes to get my real estate license again. I was a licensed realtor back in 2004. I let my license go in sometime around 2010, and when I took on other endeavors, and now, so here I was minding my own business, raising chickens, and I actually got recruited by a wonderful guy named Josh Kalinowski. He's the broker, at Coldwell Banker, the Legacy Group here in Casper, Wyoming. And so he hired me to be his managing director of his Casper operation, and then I also oversee his operation up in Buffalo, Wyoming. So that's why I've mentioned Buffalo and working in Buffalo a few times. So I really enjoy that. It's great to be back in that real estate world. It's challenging. It's very challenging. And so I'm really looking forward to it. As a managing director, I'm responsible for recruitment, training, and retention of agents. So I'm really enjoying the interaction that I have with the agents there. So in my absence, I think I have my eldest child, Dawson. I think I have him talked into doing a daily video for us so that we can keep these going, so you guys know what's going on the Urban Micro Farm. So other than that, I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know what was going on, share that cute little moment we had with Nolan and Abby, and just let you know that everything is going well here. On behalf of myself, Wyoming James, and Powder River Mandarin, who is downstairs taking care of the rest of the things that go on with the Urban Micro Farm, check it out. Day number 10 from the Urban Micro Farm. Adios.